so I thought I'd do a quick video. This is one of 4 terrace houses that I'm currently in. We've got 4 all on the road, so the one in here. See through the window, there's one literally there. So there's 4 all on the road. Let's call them 42 to 48 to make things easy. So this is the one, we're currently day 6, 5 days to strip it all out. Now the big skips here, it's permitted road, so we've got to be careful. So let me show you around. So yeah, so I'm currently in the old kitchen. I don't know if you can see, let me turn the camera around, might be a bit easier. Right, okay, so that's the basement in this one. This is the only one with a basement. This was the old kitchen. It's staying exactly the same. It's 1 bed flat. This is staying the same layout, but making it much better, as you can tell by the colour of the radiators. It wasn't the best condition, it needed mould, damp. So back to brick, let them dry out, doors and windows open. As you can see, it's really sexy and dusty at the moment. The guys outside, I got a breather while I'm in here. So walking through, this is the old bathroom. Little step down, it's on multiple levels. Look at this Artex, oh my, absolutely amazing. That's been done with someone's thumb, it looks like, not even a trowel. So you can see an old doorway, which I'm guessing it would have been a bit of an old, like it's called a pantry or a cupboard outside. So back in the olden days, a lot of coal. You would have had a cupboard here. The coal comes in, you can go and get it and put it in your fires. So yeah, this is the old bathroom. You can see the bath squeezed around the corner, the bath over the window, which is a bit strange because when you're having a shower up there, obviously all the water is going in the window. But this cupboard is getting taken out to create this bathroom bigger. The kitchen's staying the same. On the right, on the left, exactly the same. This is where the few changes might be happening, either the bedroom in the front and the lounge in the middle, or vice versa. If the bedroom's in the middle, that's getting blocked up. I'm putting a doorway in there. There'll be a corridor, literally where my hand is now. So you come through a doorway, walk down the corridor, into the bedroom here. That's if the lounge is staying the same. If it's going to be a bedroom, just on right behind that wall, I'll show you now. So just here will be a little mini corridor. You come through here to the bedroom, and then a door there anyway opens up, and that becomes a big open plan lounge into the kitchen. I'm just currently sorting out the client at the moment. Who have we got on this live? Actually 2 people. Say hi if you're there. I'll walk upstairs. There's a doorway on my right. Straight up the stairs. This is another 1 bed flat. So this is where a few changes might be happening. This is the old kitchen. It's not very big, it was only a 1 bed flat. Probably about 2.5 metre worktop roughly there, with a sink, so there's not a lot of space. As again, back to brick, allow it all to dry out. The old boiler and the old bathroom. So I'll tell you about the changes now. One thing that you do look for is, a lot of the time, you'll see this blue tape. It used to be red tape on the sink, on the bath. It would have been on the toilet seat and the taps downstairs. It used to be red tape. It used to be known that it's been repossessed, but now they put blue tape on and called a corporate sale. So I'm not sure why that change happened, whether it sounded a bit more lenient. But as you can see, back to brick everywhere other than these walls. But yeah, amazing. So this was the 1 bed flat. This was the bedroom in the flat upstairs. Artex again on the ceiling. But these are a few rooms that we might put this into a 2 bed. Just waiting for the client to come back with a few more ideas. We've got about 4 different changes. Walking through, this was the original lounge. Old radiator. This room was bright yellow. It was horrible. Definitely a smoker's flat. Their own gas supply, their own electric. So what's going to happen here? 1 or 2 options. This could become the kitchen lounge. So an open plan kitchen lounge. I'll give you a walk around, give you a look. So walk in that door there. Let's just, there's a worktop all the way across. This now Comes a nice size kitchen lounge. Okay, this is trying to make these 2 beds. We may do it, we may not. Then what we'll do is put a doorway in roughly here, put a stud halfway down, so that old bedroom becomes split 50-50. The right hand side is a bathroom. That little box room can be a bedroom number 2. Bear in mind, bedroom 1, bathroom, kitchen lounge, and then bedroom 2 will be there, or 1 or 2. Either way, it could be 2. The other option, same again, shorten this, put a shower room in, create, the shower room is there, 1 second, shower, be a lounge, put a stud wall down here and carve it off. So we could have a lounge, because it's got the meters in there. Bedroom 1, it's got a window. Then we've got half and half, bathroom, kitchen, like a bit of a galley kitchen, and then a bedroom at the back. So we're looking at different options. I thought I'd give you a quick look around. So I hope that helped. Another project that I am getting into. So thank you very much for watching. Any questions or comments, do comment below. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. So see you soon.